We're headed back out to Sunspace of West Michigan to learn more about how they can help you increase the value of your home.
Take a look.
Hi, this is Nancy at Sunspace West Michigan, and I have a tip for you to improve the value of your home. It is one of the top 5 things people ask for when they're looking to purchase a home, and that is an enclosed room. So if you have an existing roof over your deck, or if you have a screen room you'd like to improve, Sunspace can offer you the WeatherMaster window system, a sliding glass window system, or an insulated wall system custom made to fit under your existing openings. One of the best products we have to sit outside and enjoy 3 seasons, see the kids outside, or just have a private moment is the WeatherMaster window. It'll allow you to have a 75% opening or just all screen if you took them out. So give us a call today at Sunspace West Michigan and improve the value of your home today.